Dreamstime.com audio.
I'm Kavin. I'm from Kanyakumari, which is in Tamil Nadu. I did my bachelor's in aeronautical engineering from Kumaraguru College of Technology, Coimbatore. Yeah. During 2021, the GATE committee said that even third years can attend GATE exam. So I was in the third year during on 2021. So I started preparing from third year itself, ma'am. I would say IGC helped me in two ways, ma'am. It helped me to grab the concepts, the fundamental concepts of my subject clearly and sound. So that concepts helped me in cracking the interview of JRF in Cemilac, which is a lab of DRDO. So and the next IGC helped in cracking the GATE, ma'am. So they made the concepts of the subject very sound and clear, ma'am. Key learning, there is a theoretical knowledge and the next is solving the problems using that theoretical knowledge, ma'am. The theoretical knowledge will help in cracking the interviews, and basically the GATE will test the solving ability of using the theoretical knowledge. So I would say solving the problems is the key learning, ma'am, for GATE exam. After completing my MTech, I would like to join in DRDO or ISRO, ma'am.